I met Wob about 5 or 6 years ago when I was looking at transitioning into a career away from management and into a board career, and have been a member, I think, ever since, and have attended different functions and educational programs. It's been very, very good. One of the luncheons that I attended, and I can't remember what it was, but there was a luncheon that I attended about 4 years ago, and at the end of that, Ruth, as she normally does, has announced an unusual board that had come across their desk. And it was the Druids Friendly Society, and I didn't think much about it at the time, and then it sort of overnight must have been playing on my mind, and then the next morning I thought, I think I might just look that one up, and it suited my expertise, which was in aged care. The Druids Friendly Society board was a board of older men, let's try to put it nicely, and mostly accountants, and they wanted the token woman. But I think they now appreciate my input and my expertise in the aged care. So at the time they were launching into moving just away from their retirement village business and looking at to be an approved home care provider. So they needed that experience on the board, and that's where I stepped in and provided that experience. And it's been a lot of fun, and the board are very supportive, and they're all very experienced board members on other boards, and I've learnt a lot. It's been a great journey. There's a few things I have to work on, board papers being one, a little bit better governance being another. Our CEO is female. I guess in the aged care industry it's the opposite to most industries, so the majority of our staff are female, our CEO is female, and so it's only the board that is male. So we do have that kind of gender balance, I guess, in the opposite. But yes, I think we do need, we do need less accountants on our board, as in terms of diversity, and another female would be appreciated. It's meeting with some other women who are members on boards and networking with those and finding out how they get on, and upskilling some of my skills. To definitely come along, it's worthwhile. You do get to meet with people that you otherwise wouldn't meet with, and at the same time you're learning.